Ready! Okay, so, hi guys, I can't believe it's June already. We are 6 months into 2020 and what an absolutely crazy time it has been. Back has been moved, we're all working from home, and weirdly, Colin now has a relationship and has fallen in love with a little pig and some wine. Check out this clip. This will all be a distant memory soon once we get back to normal. Talking of memories, let's start with on this day. In 1896, Henry Ford made a successful pre-dawn test run of this horseless carriage called Quadricycle through the streets of Detroit. A quadricycle refers to vehicles with 4 wheels. Ford called his vehicle the Quadricycle because it ran on 4 bicycle wheels with an engine driving the back wheels. I would say that we've come a long way from these humble beginnings, but have we really? I mean, check out this really quirky and unique clip of this guy who created a social distancing bike. It's absolutely amazing, and he manufactured it all himself.
So currently we're allowed to go out for some exercise, and that's all keeping us sane at the minute, but we are still huddling together a little bit too much, and they might take that away. So I've got a little device in mind that means we can get this exercise and not physically get close to anyone. So what I'm thinking, I'm going to make a bicycle that is really tall so you can go out for a ride, and because you're much higher, nobody can get close to you because you're in the sky. If that's somewhere up there, what's the seat? Yeah, 2 metres. Bosh. Right, so what I need to do is work out what bits of bike I need, how it's going to work. I think this one at the... no, I don't know. I think I need this bit. I don't think I need this bit. Oh, I like the look of that bit.
I hate cause you customise your number plate and all the sit downs that you complicate with all your lines. What does it take for a girl to elaborate on what?
Right, got a bit of a plan. Got this down there as like our steering tube. Got another one for the headstock. It's going to sit there. Now the rest of it I'm struggling with because the only tube I've got is this big stuff, like 2.5 inches.
By your time, levitate and let me see inside. You sit inside this club. Temper is allowed. Maybe if you try to leave your rage outside, feelings don't abide. And you are the one petrified and paralyzed, my son. And you bide your time, levitate and let me see inside. Try to leave your rage outside. Feelings don't abide. And you are the one petrified and paralyzed, my son. And you bide your time, levitate and let me see inside.
This thing's actually really easy to ride. Not only am I keeping my social distance, causing a lot of smiles. Everyone's got their phones out.
So for more engineering madness, you can follow Colin Furze, who is the creator of this incredible bike, on YouTube. Blah! Blast from the past!
Blast from the past!
This week is a real oldie. These Sunderland gear cutting machines are around 100 years old, but they're still going strong. Check out this week's fantastic Blast from the past.
This is an MTD network capacity video for Partline Engineering in Bradford. Now these guys are really well known for milling and turning, but as you can see behind me, they've also got gear cutting machines. So you've got the Sunderland 5, the Sunderland 16 and the Sunderland 19. Now these machines might look old, yeah they are, a touch older than me, 1922 they're manufactured, but still holding really tight tolerances, and they'll manufacture gears from 25mm up to 190 centimetres, so small to large diameter gears, anything like that. Partline Engineering, Bradford.
Nearly 100 years old, wow. I mean, shall I make that normal joke that I make about Colin? No, forget it, whatever. Anyway, so it's Gina Asks, and I'm asking, what is a combination machine tool? Over to Paul, who breaks this down in under a minute.
This is an educational video on a combination machine tool. Now here we have a 5-axis table, and to the left of it we have a fixed table. Now this specific machine is a spinner machining centre. You would often find that you'll buy a machining centre with either this type of construction or a fixed table, but we're here having the both. It means you've got more flexibility. It means that you could set a longer component from one end to the other by fixing this table in a level position, or you could forget the fixed table and use this to do 5-axis contouring. Total flexibility in one machine. Very, very rare, but complete versatility for engineers looking to do small parts, big parts, medium-sized parts, whatever your need or complexity. This combination machine from Spinner and Whitehouse Machine Tools could be a solution.
Wow, doesn't Paul look really young in those educational pieces? Time has not been good to Paul. So, there you go. If you think that you need a little bit more flexibility and that maybe you've got longer components that you're manufacturing at the moment, or you just solely want to use it for the 5-axis contouring, this rare option may be for you. So, it's come to my attention that MTDCNC have now announced the winner of their competition. Unfortunately, they didn't notify me. I am very, very upset. I'm clearly in the age range.
Yikes.
Don't know what's going on. It's like they don't even recognise talent when it's confronted in their face. Like, I added glitter to that. It's so difficult to get glitter. You have no idea the lengths I went to go and get the glitter to put onto the doosan that I created. They haven't even told me, like, thanks. So I guess well done to the ones that have won. Enjoy the money. I'm joking. Congratulations to those fantastic little artists. I'm so proud that obviously they got involved. Check out this fantastic picture of them with their pieces. Probably not as great as mine, but you know, they did good. They did good. Yeah. So well done. Now it's time for network news. Whatever. Rotec offer 3D printing service for small to medium batches and rapid prototyping. 3D printed parts in onyx with continuous carbon fibre infill. What is this? Thermofax furnace number 3 has processed in excess of 125,000 tonnes of material up to date. Gotcha! Now it is time to rebuild for the future from the ground up. The 7 by 8 metre bed had 10,000 bricks uplifted. The steelwork had been strengthened and their brand new half will be ready to continue processing from early June. Check out this short video clip just showing a couple of Bellottis at Arnold Engineering Plastics in action. Here they are machining some aluminium and also some PU. Brown & Holmes has built an international reputation for quality work holding solutions, mechanical handling, precision machining and subcontracting machining services based in the UK. They proudly supply their products and services to companies around the world. Have you got an awesome story that you'd like to share? Feel free to just email me and it could feature on this awesome show. Well, that's it from me this evening. My name's Gina Tara. Good night. See you later. That'll do.